Did you know that good eating can work wonders in your body? Besides ensuring the good functioning of the body and improving the appearance of the skin, hair, and nails, some foods also have the power of making us feel happier. Isn't it cool? Some foods can improve physical and emotional health because they activate the production of serotonin, the happiness hormone, and endorphin, responsible for lowering stress and increasing pleasure. These foods also help regulate sleep and control stress. The list is extensive, so let's check some of the foods that can make your day happier. Avocado, folic acid, vitamin B3, potassium, proteins, iron, magnesium, vitamin C, E, and B6. It is excellent for the nervous system, and folic acid also works as a coenzyme for different mood neurotransmitters. Banana. Bananas contain the amino acid tryptophan, which is a precursor for serotonin. It protects the body against depression, stress, insomnia, anxiety, and bad mood. Orange. It contains vitamin C and calcium, making it efficient for improving mood, fighting stress, and relaxing muscles. Egg. One of the most complete foods. Eating eggs regularly improves body function and thus makes you feel better. Honey. It contains calcium and antidepressant minerals, making it great to keep your mind calm. Nuts and seeds. The main nuts and seeds contain essential amino acids that are responsible for recovering the body. Eating nuts, peanuts, and seeds improves sleep quality. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Spinach. Popeye isn't the only one who benefits from eating spinach. This food is good against sadness because it contains potassium and folic acid, both substances that aid in fighting depression. Pepper. This spice heals the body and makes the mouth burn. It is also one of the foods that most stimulate the release of endorphin. This happens thanks to capsaicin, the substance that makes it burn. To maximize its benefits, use chili peppers. Eat them in moderation to avoid intestinal issues. Chickpea. Rich in tryptophan, it contributes to serotonin production, aiding in the sensation of happiness. The magnesium found in chickpeas offers relaxation and lowers stress and anxiety. Chocolate. Luckily for many people, eating chocolate can be good for your health. This food is rich in B-complex vitamins and is known for improving mood. Lentil. The balance between calcium and magnesium acts directly in the brain metabolism and production of neurotransmitters like serotonin and dopamine. Did you see how many foods? A balanced mix of all these foods combined with regular exercise is essential if you want to be happier and healthier. If none of these foods help, or if your case is severe, seek professional help. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.